Surface preparation is time-consuming, but skipping it will affect the end result. The durability of any preparation product depends on the complete and careful preparation of the surface before painting. This is the Fired Earth Multi-Grip Primer, a premium quality pure acrylic multi-surface primer to suitably prepare most interior and exterior surfaces. Fired Earth Multi-Grip Primer provides a quality base before coating with most quality decorative paints. This used to be a doorway that the contractors have closed in and plastered. The plaster has been given a few weeks to dry and cure properly. But before I could paint a color top coat to this, it needed to be primed. Priming the plaster is important as it forms a layer that the paints can adhere to evenly. The first step was to mask the areas that I wanted to avoid painting. Then I laid a drop sheet to avoid paint splatter on the floor. Then I opened the can, gave it a good stir. Now, different areas of this plaster will absorb paint differently due to porosity variations, and a primer helps even this out, resulting in a more uniform finish when painting with a top coat, and it also prevents the paint from flaking off in future. Fired Earth Multi-Grip Primer can be applied like any normal paint. It's white in color, which also helps when top coating with a light color, as the foundation is a neutral color. It's also quick drying and can be overcoated in 6 to 8 hours, but it must be overcoated within 48 hours. It offers superior adhesion qualities, and being virtually odorless, it can be used indoors. Just remember that primer does need to be overcoated. No, you cannot use it as white paint. Application is easy with a quality roller on the flat surfaces and a brush for cutting the edges. Now I've painted the entire wall to get a uniform finish. Multi-grip primer can also be used on a number of materials such as PVC gutters and downpipes, melamine, masonry, plaster concrete, fiber cement, certain metals, wood, and brick surfaces after suitable preparation. Priming timber requires a light sanding and removing the dust before applying multi-grip. Once that is dried, you can then paint the top coat. Multi-grip can also be used on previously painted surfaces to create a uniform base layer, as Kevin demonstrates here. More and more paint products these days are water-based, and this primer is no exception. Cleaning up is a simple job with warm water and possibly some dishwashing liquid. However, it's important to clean up before the primer dries up on the brushes. Once dried, I painted 2 coats of the blue house color and ended up with this beautiful, uniform, neat finish. A high-quality paint will give you a beautiful finish, but to get the best possible finish, the right preparation is necessary. Undercoat, otherwise known as primer paint, ensures better adhesion of paint to the surface. It increases paint durability and provides additional protection for the material being painted. This is the Fired Earth Multi-Grip Primer. There we are. What used to be a doorway is now a solid wall with a paint that's got a beautiful uniform finish thanks to the Multi-Grip Primer. The right preparation is key. Now remember, the Fired Earth Multi-Grip Primer is available at Builders, in-store, or online at builders.co.za. And for more videos like this, check out the blog on the website. Get to Builders, get it done.